It's the biggest of all the deals.
In the ballroom of U.S. President Donald Trump's own Scottish golf resort, he and European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen announced a framework for a deal, dodging a transatlantic trade war.
The energy is a very important component because we have more energy than anybody else.
The EU will buy $750 billion worth of U.S. energy, as well as American-made military equipment. There will be no European tariffs on American goods, but the U.S. is imposing 15% tariffs on most European imports, not including steel and aluminum, which will remain at 50%.
Steel is staying the way it is. The steel and aluminum, et cetera, that's a worldwide thing.
Prior to the deal, Trump had been threatening to hit the EU with 30% tariffs starting August 1st.
And we wanted to rebalance the trade relation, and we wanted to do it in a way that trade goes on between the two of us across the Atlantic, because the two biggest economies should have a good trade flow between us.
The agreement comes just days before Canada's own August 1st deadline. Trump has threatened to boost tariffs to 35% on some Canadian goods.
We've made progress, but we have a lot of work in front of us.
After meetings in Washington last week, Team Canada suggested a deal may not be imminent.
We're going to continue to do the difficult work and take the time necessary until the Prime Minister decides that the deal that's on the table is the best deal we can get.
In addition to this deal, Trump has inked agreements with Britain, Japan, Indonesia, the Philippines, and Vietnam. And clearly, there's a trend.
Well, we're starting to see a pattern with regard to these deals. We saw Japan earlier in the week, and now the EU, two big trading partners, in which tariffs will be applied.
Fagan says Canada does have an edge over the EU and Japan, thanks to its free trade deal with the U.S., which covers about 70% of Canadian exports.
And Karen, Trump appears eager to lock in more deals as soon as possible with that August 1st deadline fast approaching.
That's right. At today's announcement, he told reporters he's eyeing 3 or 4 more this week, including China. But even if he lands those, he'll still fall short of his own election promise, 90 deals in 90 days.
Karen Pauls in Washington tonight.